Hi, James Pax Lightning from Big Trouble in Little China. Guess where I am? I'm in South Carolina here. Just taking a little break from the Comic-Con tour. Well, I'm going to be at the Belton, Texas for the Bell County Comic-Con that Johnny is doing on August the 5th and 6th, which is probably about 2 weeks away. I just want to let all my fans know that I'll be there with Funko Pops and this animal pin, all right? And 8x10s, 11x14s, and you can bring your own Funko Pop and also your posters, whatever you want me to sign, and come and see me. Yeah, I hear that Chuck Norris is gonna be at the Bell County Comic-Con. I can't wait to see him again after 30 years since we made the Invasion USA in Georgia together. Wow, that was a lot of swamp, and I was playing a Japanese terrorist attacking Georgia, trying to take over the city and all of that. A lot of swamps that I remembered. All right, I'm gonna give everybody a big hug like I always do, because a lot of fans tells me that they haven't seen me for 30 years. You're right, I was away in Asia for the last 30 years, but now I'm back. All right, so I hope to see you there at the Bell County Comic-Con. Here I come. Yeah, with popular demand, we're gonna be selling Carter Wong, Thunder in Big Trouble in Little China, my partner in crime, his Funko Pop, 8x10s and 11x14s. A lot of fans are wondering where he went in the last 30 years. Well, he's still doing well in China, and hopefully we'll be able to bring him to our Comic-Con one day.
What the? Come on, man.
What's going on?
I don't have any charge.
You don't have any charge? You mean your phone is out of battery?
Yeah.
Well, maybe I can help you out.
Wow. 200%.
Oh my God, really? 200%? Hey, you're welcome.